Welcome to your step-by-step guide to creating and selling digital products. In this roadmap, we'll navigate the exciting journey from germinating your brilliant idea to launching a fully fledged, income-generating digital product. Let's dive into step 3, create your digital product. Creating a digital product might sound daunting, but with the right tools and strategy, it can be a rewarding endeavor. The essence of this step is to transform your idea into a tangible asset that your audience can benefit from. First, let's explore some of the best tools for creation. 1. Canva, perfect for designing planners, templates, and ebooks. 2. ChatGPT, an excellent choice for content writing and course creation. 3. Notion and Google Docs, ideal platforms for creating checklists and workbooks. 4. AI image tools, great for generating art and printable materials. Now, let's outline the quick creation framework to streamline your product creation process. 1. Outline your content. Start by planning the structure and essential elements of your product. Identify what information is crucial and how it will be presented. 2. Design and format your product. Utilize the tools mentioned to design your product. Ensure it's visually appealing and easy to navigate. 3. Export as a digital file. Once your product is ready, export it in a suitable digital format such as PDF, PNG, or MP4 to ensure it reaches your audience in the highest quality possible. By following these steps, you can swiftly progress from an idea to a market-ready digital product. Tune in for more insights in the next step of our guide.